We're on a road trip across the western states of America. Our plan: discover beautiful and weird places, see some friends and family, and stealth camp most nights in our micro camper. We named our car Toastie because Honda Elements are shaped like toasters. Let's go and enjoy the journey.
It's minute one of our big West Coast Toastie trip.
So we're in our 2008 Honda Element. How many miles are we starting with on our car?
169,301 miles.
Our car can do it. This is Toastie. Toastie is the mostie.
Toastie, there we go. That's a hashtag. Lainey's first time to San Francisco as an adult, and I was like, we gotta go to the coolest place ever, the Palace of the Fine Arts.
Can't believe I've never been here.
Yeah, it's gorgeous here. We wanted to make sure that Toastie's cultured and cultivated on this trip, so we came here.
We made it to the coast. We're a little bit south of Mendocino, and it is foggy. Ooh, and cold.
It's July, it's cold, it's angry ocean.
We had our picnic in the river gulch near Mendocino. Now we're gonna go do some headlands hiking in Mendocino and explore the cute little town. All right, everyone, these are your ocean safety tips with me, Lainey, as we are in Mendocino. Well, my pro tip is cover up, wear a hat, wear sunglasses. It's cold, bundle up, don't forget your layers, don't forget your sun protection. However, Mendocino would like you to know that the Ocean's 12 safety tips says such as don't turn your back on the ocean. Did you know that your dog can swim better than you can? So don't go after your dog. 12 tips for the ocean.
The ocean is less than 55 degrees hypothermia risk. Fitness is really important when you're on the road. It's just like find really heavy crap and stay super swole like I do. We pulled off by the side of the road pretty early still. It's 7, a little bit after 7. We're gonna try a stealth camp in the open. I mean, we're like looking at the ocean. It's pretty. Even if we get knocked on, like whatever, this is lovely. So if there's enough people around, we might get busted, but we'll see.
Bit worried. We slept all night. No one disturbed us.
It's the ocean right there.
We were polite tenants. That's important.
That we were all right. We didn't make any noise or get out of the car.
We got to the junction of the 101 and the 1. We had to finally stop at the Pig House for some coffee because we couldn't figure out how to use our stove. Our mistake that we didn't test it beforehand, so we ran out of patience. Now we have coffee. But Pig House is so great. I got a free zucchini. Look at this massive zucchini they grew in their garden. So hopefully we can figure out our stove so I can make it in lunch today. There are 8 stops on the Avenue of the Giants auto tour. We chose a few from the tour guide and a few from Google. Regardless of where you go, it's all beautiful.
Walking the Governor Stevens something trail, and we're the only ones here. It's a little tiny turnoff on the Avenue of the Giants. Bananas, how nice it is. Tons of big trees. Really nicely marked trail. Obviously cool temperature because you're in the sequoias and redwood trees. Redwood trees. Super nice way to spend 20 minutes on the side of the road.
So pretty.
Oh, it's Laney sized. Turn around.
Although the trails are next to the road, the second you step on them, you feel so far away and just transported into the deep woods. That was the flood mark in 1964. Apparently it's about 34 feet.
We use Laney for scale.
5'1", very tall. About to exit the Avenue of the Giants. Woo. Definitely a great little day trip, detour on your way north or south. I think if we had planned this a little better, it would have been nice to camp here, but you need reservations for camping.
Yeah, everything was like campground full, campground full. Toastie right there. We parked at Dry Lagoon State Park. It's a really chill little parking spot here in Northern California. This is like super rugged, gnarly driftwood beach. Look at this thing. Oh, it's like stone. First meal. Look at this gourmet butane dinner. Gas one. Ooh, that looks good already. Really that easy?
Yeah.
Work, 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 work. She's working. Got a great view out the office window. Should have filmed us making the coffee, but it's cold.
It's raining too.
Woo.
The only two people here.
Yeah. We found this great little river. We're having a swim. Feels really good to be in the water.
Gold! 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 Let's go fish on the river. 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 This is so good.